turn it back now. What is that? It's green. What is that, guys? It's dry. Is that foam? Guys, that's gotta be foam. But I'll tell you what, it's definitely not wet. What is that, guys? I've never seen anything like that. Obviously, it can't be wood. It's green, unless it's moldy, but it's not. It's dry, consistent color green. Let's go somewhere else and drill. Let's go. What do I say when there's nobody listening? I want to decide over myself. Green. That's gotta be foam. Last Thursday night, Kristen and I went live with the Freedom family. We held up these pieces of fiberglass and core, just tiny samples, but huge meaning. Because for weeks we've been asking the same question. What is this deck really made of? We searched everywhere. Forums, old listings, owner groups. We even tried tracking down current Northwind 40 owners. Nothing. Total strikeout. So we did what midlifers chasing answers do. We drilled in literally. And what we found, honestly, pretty incredible. Layer after layer of fiberglass, not thin, not cheap, strong, intentional, built to last. And the core, yep, foam, but not flimsy foam, not hollow, not questionable. A full half-inch thick, dense, solid, like the builders in Spain were saying, let's make this thing survive decades. The best part? Peace of mind. Because when you pull up 40-year-old teak, you don't know what the story is hiding underneath. But this story was strength, craftsmanship, and proof that freedom was built with purpose. Sometimes discovery isn't flashy. It's not fireworks. It's not a new sail or a shiny winch. Sometimes it's a small core sample telling you your next chapter is standing on something solid. And that right there, that's momentum. The sample I took. And look right here. It's 3 inches, right, by 3 inches. And here's the important thing is we are sitting right at 1 inch deep. Those layers consist of your top fiberglass layer, which, let's see if I could do that with one hand. If you're looking at here, look at that and get a better idea. But yeah, that's is that 1/8? I can't really tell. Plus, I don't have my glasses, so that comes off. And that's a wrap on this episode. If you made it all the way to the end, you rock. Here's the truth. Progress doesn't always look exciting. Sometimes it looks like dust, drills, and tiny core samples. But every layer we uncover, every question we answer, every small win, that's us moving forward. So if tonight gave you a spark, a thought, a dream, maybe I could do that someday, then we did our job. Hit that like, drop a comment, and if you haven't yet, subscribe and join the Freedom family, because everything you want exists on the other side of fear. Fair winds and following seas, my friends. Catch you next episode. At that point, I only showed you 2 of those, but I did all 4. They all 4 came out the same exact way. But I still had that question in my mind, drilling up those little pieces of green. I'm like, so what is that? What is it? So I wanted to get to the bottom of it. So this piece here is taken out of the port side bow. Okay, so just off center line on the port side and the bow, there was a good amount of water in the teak. So this boat is as solid as it gets. I would definitely put this one up against some of the more well-known boats that are built today. They laid that fiberglass thick on there and they used a full 1/2 inch Divinycell type of a foam core. So I'm very happy.